high protein pack. Today I am making chole masala. It's one of my favorite dish. Let's start. We have given a star here because it's one of my favorite dish and we loved it. So the first step is to soak the chickpea and boil them overnight. So the first step is only soaking and boiling. That's over. Let's go to the second step. For second step, you have to put refined oil, jeera and ghee. So I've put the ingredients. Now I'll close the lid. Let's start sorting aromatics. All the ingredients are ready. Sorting spices is over. Now I'll put the next ingredients. Onion, chili, ginger. We are out of garlic, so we are not going to put it. Let me close the lid. Let's start the cutting aromatics. Cutting aromatics is over. I have scraped the walls. Now let me start sorting onions. In the third step, we have to put tomato and all the masalas. Tomato. Now I'll put the masalas. Salt, cinnamon powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, chole masala powder, turmeric. I have put the ingredients. Let me start sorting tomatoes. Now the sorting tomatoes is going to be done. Now I am going to put the boiled chole with the water. Look how the gravy is done. Now I put the boiled chole and water. And now I'll start cooking chole. It will take around 37 minutes. Meanwhile the cooking chole is preparing, I will make like this puri balls and then put little oil to the butter paper and then press it and then it will become fully round. Now see how it will become round. I'll open it. See how it has become round. Now my mother will take and fry the puris and the flame will be on high level. And this is how the puris will be done, so fluffy inside. Look, see, fluffy and soft. So I'll be continuing this while my mom will be frying the puris. So this kind of help is needed when our moms are preparing something special. Our fluffy puris are ready and our chole masala is also cooked. Now let me taste one puri. Now they are so fluffy and soft inside. Finally the restaurant style chole is cooked. Take a look. Subscribe, like and share.